For what purpose does the gentlewoman from Maine rise?
Mr. Speaker, by direction of the Committee on Rules, I call up House Resolution 87 and ask for its immediate consideration. We are here today because Lilly Ledbetter got shortchanged by her employer, perpetrator of consistent pay discrimination lasting years, and shortchanged again by the Supreme Court. And so now we are here today to fight for the final passage of this essential legislation. As a mother of 2 daughters, a woman who has owned her own business, myself, much of my adult life, and as a newly elected member of this body, I was proud to cast one of my first votes in favor of the Lilly Ledbetter Act, and I am proud that both chambers have already made a strong commitment to protect workers against pay discrimination in the workplace. This important legislation is long overdue, and I urge my colleagues to join me in supporting the underlying bill, S-181, the Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act of 2009. We owe it to all American workers to strengthen, not weaken, non-discrimination charges based on gender, race, and religion. It's passed the House and has passed the Senate previously. Today we are here to send it on to President Obama for what will be his first signature of any bill. I urge my colleagues to support workers everywhere and vote yes on the underlying bill. I urge a yes vote on the previous question and on the rule, and I yield back the balance of my time, and I move the previous question on the resolution.